In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease the default image duration on CapCut. If you work with photos or graphics in your edits, the default image duration controls how long each still image stays on screen when you drop it into the timeline. Setting this once saves you from trimming every single picture later and helps keep your pacing consistent across a project. First, open CapCut. Head into the editor where you normally build your projects so you can access the global preferences. You don't need a project loaded to change this, but it's helpful to be inside the editor interface so you can see the effect as you add new images. Next, click on Settings. Look for the small gear icon, typically in the upper corner of the editor. That opens the Preferences window where CapCut groups general options that affect how the editor behaves. Inside Settings, go to the Edit section and then find Image Duration. This is the control that defines the default length for any still image you add to the timeline. It's measured in seconds, and you can usually enter whole numbers or decimals if you want something precise like 1.5 seconds. Now, make the adjustment you want. Type in your preferred duration or use the arrows to raise or lower the value. Think about the style of your edit as you choose. For fast, energetic cuts, shorter durations like 0.8 to 1.5 seconds, keep momentum. For slideshows, tutorials, or text-heavy graphics, longer durations, often 3 to 5 seconds, give viewers enough time to absorb the content. If you're syncing visuals to music, you can match the duration to the beat or bar length for smoother rhythm. A couple of helpful notes as you change this setting. The default image duration applies to images you add after you make the change. Items already on your timeline keep their current lengths, which is great if you're mid-project and only want this to affect new assets. And even with a default in place, you can always fine-tune any individual image later by trimming its edges directly on the timeline. Once you've set the value that fits your workflow, you're all set. When you add new images to a project, you'll see the updated pacing in action, and you can adjust again if needed until it feels right. That's it. You've updated the default image duration in CapCut, which should speed up your workflow and keep your edits consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.